and welcome back to our channel. So as you all know that in this video we are going to understand how you can automatically add your LinkedIn leads to your Kommo CRM as a new contact. So here on my screen you can see a connection that I've already built between these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this connection for your own business so that whenever a new lead is received through our LinkedIn ads, then instantly that lead should be created as the new contact in our Kommo CRM so that you don't miss any of your lead. So now here to build this connection, you need to access an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. And for that, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply click on sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button and then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, fast and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says add LinkedIn leads to Kommo CRM automatically. And then for the folder, I'm going to click on this drop down menu and here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as contacts. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn my hyperlink given over here and it will take you to a photo window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you all know that I am receiving new leads through LinkedIn. So I'm going to select my trigger as LinkedIn and my event as lead notifications. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your LinkedIn account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn. And here you can see we now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to select the sponsored account. So now here to get the account, let me take you to my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager. So this is my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager and here you can see the account that I'm using is with the name Pabbly's Ad Account. So I'm going to select the same from the drop down and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request. So here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission and for that we need to generate a test lead inside our LinkedIn lead ad. So now here to generate the lead, let me take you back to my ads campaign manager. So this is my ads campaign manager and here I've already drafted a test campaign in which I've created a test lead form. So for now we're going to use this form to generate a test lead inside our LinkedIn lead ad. Alright, so we're going to click on the supply now. So this is our lead form, and here you can see it is asking us to add the email address and the phone number. Whereas the first name, last name and the company name are the static values. That means these are the fixed values and we cannot change them. So the reason behind this is that this is a test lead form. But if you're running a live lead form, then your lead will be able to add all these details. Alright, so for the email address, we are going to add the email address as dummy@pabblytunes.com, and for the phone number, we are going to add a random phone number. Alright, so now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the submit, and you can see it says information sent to Pabbly. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead, then instantly I want to add it as a new contact in my Kommo CRM so that my team can follow with the same. So for that, we are going to add action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Kommo CRM. And for the app event, we are going to select create contact, and then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Kommo account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Kommo. Here you can see it is asking us to add the domains. Alright, so now here to get the domain, let me take you to my Kommo account, and here in the path URL you can see this is our domain. So we're going to copy it, and then we are going to add it over here. Then we're going to click on the save. And here you can see Pabbly is requesting for the access. So we're going to select the account, and then we're going to give access to Pabbly as your data secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to add the first name, last name and some other details. So now instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when we're going to receive a new lead through our LinkedIn lead ad, then instantly this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the first name, we're going to map our lead's first name. Here we're going to map the last name. Here this responsible user will remain same. Then here for the email address, we're going to map the lead's email address. Here we're going to map the phone number, and here this position and tags are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. Now after entering all the required details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Kommo CRM. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. Here you can see the phone number and the email address. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as LinkedIn and our action as Kommo CRM. So that when we're going to receive a new lead through our LinkedIn lead ad, then instantly a new contact for the same should be created inside my Kommo CRM. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add LinkedIn leads to Kommo CRM automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.